Hello everyone and welcome back to Skills Academy. In today's video, I am going to show you how to run Facebook ads. Running Facebook ads can be a cost-effective way to reach a large audience. Learn how to run Facebook ads in 7 steps with this useful guide. Facebook ads can be valuable because they are highly targeted, cost-effective, and able to reach a wide audience. With the proper Facebook ad strategy in place, you can drive brand awareness and boost conversions for your business. Keep watching to learn how to get started with running a Facebook ad campaign. Facebook ads promote your business on Facebook's social media platform. When you combine Facebook ads with audience segmentation tools, you can potentially reach people who can truly benefit from your services or products. In this video, you'll learn how to run ads on Facebook, what it costs to do so, and how to do it effectively. With Facebook ads, you can reach a wide audience or target a specific audience segments with characteristics such as following: interests, behaviors, education, previous purchases, income, political affiliation, spoken languages, and major life events. You can also easily track your performance and engage in effective marketing at a low cost. In order to run Facebook ad, you need to follow several steps. First, you'll create a Facebook Ads Manager account and start a new campaign. Next, you'll choose an objective, including what audience you wish to reach, and set your budget and schedule. Finally, you will create a Facebook ad monitor its performance. Keep watching to learn more. 1. Create a Facebook Ads Manager account. After you navigate to the Facebook Ads Manager, select Go to Ads Manager. Confirm the information you entered on Setup page. Fill in your payment information and save your changes. You can now use Ads Manager to set up your campaign and track your ads. 2. Start a new campaign. Within the Ads Manager, you'll have your own dashboard where you can monitor campaigns. However, if you have never created an ad, the dashboard is empty. To create a campaign or ad set, select the type of ad you want to click, and then select Create. Next, you'll learn more about how to run an ads on Facebook. 3. Choose your objective. Facebook Ads Manager is intuitive and designed to make it easy for you to select a campaign objective. Like with many social media advertising tools, it's designed with your campaign objective in mind. Ads Manager will ask you to choose an objective from a pre-populated list. Currently, there are 11 objectives, but this list is subject to change. It may include anything from brand awareness to increasing traffic to your e-commerce store. Facebook's options for objectives include brand awareness, engagement, app installs, reach, website traffic, video views, catalog sales, and store traffic, in addition to lead generation, messages, and conversions. For example, let's say you want to attract more visitors to your website. In that case, Facebook will prompt you to enter the corresponding URL. Therefore, if you use an automatic tracking tools, create a unique URL so that you can track your success. After that, 3 or 4. Set a budget and a schedule. Choose whether you want to set up a budget by the day or for the lifetime of the campaign. Although these are pretty self-explanatory, there are some differences to keep in mind. For example, the daily budget option runs the ad continuously throughout the day. Facebook bases your spending to match your budget, but there is a minimum of $1 per day for an ad set. With a lifetime budget, you run the ad for the specified time. Facebook then tracks your spending to spread your exposure over the ad's lifetime budget. There are additional options that allows you to further control your budget. It's a good idea to research how your competitors use these settings to maximize your ad campaigns. But what if you don't want to run your ad immediately? In this case, you can set a schedule that includes parameters for the start and the end dates and hours of the day that you would like to run the ad. This allows you to reach your customers when they are typically online. This is another great money-saving tool that allows you to stretch your budget. 5. Select a target audience. Whether you want to target residents in a specific neighborhood, appeal to those with a particular financial or educational background, or run ads specifically for men or women, Facebook has given you the ability to do so. You can target audience by location, age, gender, education, languages, relationship, home, work, behaviors, connections, financial, ethnic affinity, generation, life events, parents, politics, and in general, interests. 6. Create your Facebook ad. You have 6 ad formats to choose from that work on every imaginable device. You can even choose options that target specific connection speeds. For example, you can use an image or video in your ad, or go for a multi-image format. In order to decide how you want your ad to look, consider your original objective. 7. Monitor analytics and set up reporting. According to Facebook, key metrics to track include the following: performance, which customizes this metric to track frequency, results, reach, and impressions. Engagement, track page likes, engagement, and posts. Website, measures actions such as checkouts, payment details, purchases, and cart ads. Apps that include metrics such as app engagement and details. You can also monitor event responses and cost per event, or report the number of total unique clicks, CTR, and cost per click. Settings like access useful information as start to end date, and set ad name, delivery, and more. Campaign reports give you the information you need to tweak your ad campaign or ramp up highly successful ads. Now you know how to run ads on Facebook by setting up a Facebook ad throughout Ads Manager. You've also discovered the important metrics that can drive your campaign's success. Additionally, you have learned the metrics to track so that you can optimize the performance of your Facebook ad campaign. Running a Facebook ad campaign doesn't have to be mysterious or scary when you have the right tools under your belt. And with tools like MailChimp, you can easily run ads on Facebook and cross other social media platforms. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Follow us for more video tutorials about Facebook ads. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you on the next video.